How to use Lagofast for gaming. Now, what you need to do is download the Lagofast application through lagofast.com. Once you do that, you're gonna open up Lagofast, the application, and here as we can see that there's no games available. So what you want to do is scan. Let's scan our game for shortcuts. So here are a couple of games that I have on my computer. Some of them I don't even have, like Seven Nights, Star Wars, Warfare. I never had these games, but it's whatever. So from here, you're gonna find your game that you wanna boost. Let's say I wanna boost Need for Speed Heat. Let's click on the boost icon. And for this, you need to log into Lagofast. Okay, let's return to Lagofast. And there you go, I've signed in. So here you can see that they gave me a free trial. And the free trial lasts 5 hours. So let's confirm the free trial. Let's boost the game. And now that the game is boosted, you can just start the game. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.